Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to insert a word count function into your Word 2021. Open Microsoft Word. Go to Insert tab. Look for Text Block. Click on the Explore Quick Parts icon. Select Field from the list. A new window will open. Set categories to document information. Select NumWords from the left side list. Click OK. The word count will appear on the top of the document. If you delete some words or add extra, you can recheck the word's count. Select the word's count and right-click on it. Choose Update Field from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!